Welcome. In this video I will show you how to customize Logitech MX Master 4 for multi-monitor workflow. I want to cover topics like enabling features like a haptic bump when moving between screens and assigning gestures to window management. So before I start, I want you to download the official Logitech software, which is called Logi Options Plus. It's available on the official Logitech webpage, which is Logitech.com website. So download it and install. It's free to use. It's designed specifically for your Logitech mouse, or Logitech mice to be more specific. And in order to add a new device to this application, so you can see it on the main window, just like I do right now, you simply have to connect it to your computer using any connection type that you prefer. And once you see your mouse on the window, click on it. And let me start with the haptic feedback from moving between monitors. To do that, click haptic feedback, then click right here, then scroll down the right part of the screen and enable switch screens by switching this toggle to the right. Now, whenever you move between monitors, you will feel a slight haptic feedback from your mouse. And you can also adjust the haptic intensity by switching to one of these presets. And to disable it, just switch the toggle to the left. Now, as for gestures for window management, go to buttons, then select one of the buttons you want to use for this purpose, for example this one, and then select gestures. It's usually either in recommended section or in other actions section, but you can always use the search bar. Just search for gestures and click right here. And as you can see, the preset, we already have the virtual desktop preset, which is what we're looking for, basically. So by holding this button and moving your mouse to the left, you will switch to the desktop on the left. By holding it and moving to the right, you'll switch to the desktop to the right, well, like this. It's a virtual desktop, it's not the monitors. So keep that in mind. If you hold this button and move up, you will open the start menu, and if you hold it and move down, you will basically hide the windows you have, or show them once again. Okay, of course, and if you just click, you will open task view. Okay. Now, besides, as you can see, all of these features aren't specifically useful for multi-monitor workflow. You can change them to custom gestures. To do that, drop this list down, select custom, then select some specific actions from the list you see right here. And you can also use smart actions. Let's find them. Let's first close this menu, and let's find smart actions. Okay. Oh, here they are. So what we can do, for example, is create a smart action. To do that, you have to click create smart action, and then for example, let's create an action that will move this window to the other monitor and then maximize it, for example. The trigger is already inputted right here. It's the gesture button is pressed. You can change it by clicking right here, and then press any button, or perform any gesture to set the trigger. You can also add a new trigger, another trigger, if you want to, but generally, in order to create such a gesture, we have to click add action and then select keystroke. And now let's provide a new keystroke here to move the window to other monitor. In Windows, you have to press the combination of Windows, Shift, and one of the arrow buttons, well, left or right, it's depending on where your monitor is located. So let's select start recording and then press Windows, Shift, and right button, then tap stop recording. We don't want to record with fixed delay, so let's switch this toggle. Let's unhit this checkbox, then click confirm, and then let's add a new action, select system, and then let's find maximize window, confirm. You can try it, or we can just save it, and let's name it, move to other monitor and maximize. Okay, switch monitor plus maximize. Okay, like this. Okay, let's tap confirm. And now when you press this button, you can see, well, you cannot see it, but yeah, it actually happened. This window just moved to another monitor. And so just like this, you can create custom smart actions for multi-monitor workflow on your Logitech mouse. If you like this video, then please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.